Good morning, everybody. This is Ryan Schofield speaking. Welcome to this morning's Trading in the Success Zone video, as brought to you by ETX Capital as part of the ETX Capital Traders Workshop. Now, last week we spoke about trading flow, trading trends. Now, we ended off looking at a very strong trend that had formed with the Swiss franc strength. Now, looking at this chart of the Swiss franc Japanese yen on the daily chart, you can see how we were around about here whilst I was creating the video. Now, I was saying, well, I'm very, very patient in putting this on my watch list because I'm waiting for a pullback into moving average, and you can see we actually got that. Okay, you can see the small little candlestick we've got right there. There was a beautiful pullback onto prior resistance. Now we can see we had some major resistance formed through there, a little bit there as well. Okay, and we know that when resistance gets broken, acts as support. So we broke through, pulled back, small little candlestick, and then we got a fantastic run back up. Now this is a really 2-to-1 profit. Okay, so it's on a daily chart, more of a swing play, looking really, really good. We've got some good convergence with our indicators, so this trend is looking really, really good. Okay, however, we're coming to that time of the year now where things are slowing down. Okay, the markets are going into that low volume chop. People are taking time off to enjoy the festive season. So we're no longer trading higher time frames. When I say we, I'm talking about us at Trade with Precision. We trade full time, all of us traders here. So we are pretty much pulling back, only taking intraday setups, not taking these higher time frame swing trade setups. But I just wanted to just have a look at this trend that had formed, and just to quickly do a recap on what's occurred since the last time I presented a video. Well, it's that time of the year now, isn't it? It's come around so quickly, and what I generally like to do, I don't generally tend to trade over the festive season. I put down my pens and my keyboard now from the 24th, and I no longer trade until the 5th of Jan. Okay, so that I'm having a time away from the screens, and just putting my feet up. Now, the Christmas period is a very useful period. I use it for the following: for relaxing, spending time with my family and friends, having a good old time, and overindulging as we all do with food and nice quality wines, just having a good old time. Refocusing. I like to, towards the end of this period off, I'll start to focus on my goals for 2011. I've got long-term goals, 2014 goals, 2017 goals that I've already got set. I'll just refocus on them and create some short-term goals for 2011, just to keep, build that impetus through into the first quarter of 2011. Reviewing, catch up on my trades from 2010. I use the reviews of past trades to help build experience and knowledge to continually grow and develop my trading moving forward. So just go through, look at your trades, and just see if you can find any pearls of wisdom that you can help to develop your trading moving forward there. Reading, this is a good part. It's nice just to put your feet up, grab a nice Merlot, and just read on your comfy sofa. Okay, if you don't have kids, that is. If you've got kids, you probably won't get the time. However, it's always nice to find the time to do some reading. Grab that trading book, which you've been meaning to read, but you just haven't found the time to. There's some fantastic ones. I don't necessarily look to read books on strategy, because I don't think that's a real good use of my time. I look to read books on psychology. So books like Think and Grow Rich, Fooled by Randomness, Trading in the Zone, The Disciplined Trader, the Way of the Warrior Trader, The Intuitive Trader. These are all very, very good book titles that I like to read, just to help refocus the mind and just help to understand exactly where my psychology fits in with my trading. It really does help me develop myself that way. Moving into 2011, what we like to do is we like to help you with your goals. So what we're doing now is we're launching the new ETX Traders Workshop package on the 10th of January. Okay, Monday the 10th of January it begins. So what I wanted to do in this video is just to say, good day, I hope you're having a fantastic season, but also just introduce us to you. And hopefully you pencil this down in your diary and join us for it, because it's going to be a fantastic way to start the year. Start the year with good quality education. By that I mean, it's an 8-hour full education package done by Trade with Precision, and it's done over 4 installments, so 2-hour webinars each. You'll have Nick McDonald, Travis McKenzie, and myself, Ryan Schofield, conducting these live webinars. We normally charge our clients at Trade with Precision 499 quid, sorry. But if you're an ETX Capital client, it's free. Okay, we are an independent trading company that has been hired by ETX Capital to help them with the education needs. So as a result, you as their client get the best of both worlds. You get our package for free. Now, just a quick description of what it is. It's a journey of education. Now, the first part is the foundation. We're looking at technical analysis tools, the best ones to use, the most reliable, simply the best is trend and price action analysis. We start to teach you how to analyze trends and analyze price action. The most important keys you could ever learn in your trading. It's not about MACD, it's not about RSI, it's not about Bollinger Bands, it's not about any of that nonsense. It's about where is price going, who's in control, the bulls or the bears, understanding trend and understanding price action. If you can do that, you can make money in trading, no doubt. So we're gonna present all the stuff that we've come to understand in our trading, and we've got many years of experience at Trade Precision now. What works and what doesn't, okay? And that just helps you cut through the nonsense so you can save time. Then part 2, the following week, builds on part 1. So we use those technical analysis things that we start to introduce to you in part 1, and we build 2 strategies, okay? 2 complete trading strategies. You will write the checklist and trading plan for each strategy during that webinar. So you can take that away with you and start to apply it to the markets. These 2 strategies are trend following. They're applicable to any asset class on any time frame. They successfully use them on futures, index futures trading, the Dow Jones and the S&P and the Russell. Also, we use them very successfully in trading FX, stocks as well, UK stocks. So it's applicable across the board. Okay, so it doesn't matter what you like to trade. If you like to trade gold, fine. This works perfectly, and we'll show you some past trade examples of how our strategy has worked. Okay, now part 3 actually starts to build on the psychology of trading, so surviving that learning curve. We start to give you some ideas on how to implement risk and money management into your trading. We'll actually help you develop your risk management plan, which you'll append to the trading plans you created for the 2 strategies. So that becomes a complete trading plan that you can then use in your trading business. We're also going to teach you things that we've learned in our experience from having a day job and trading in the beginning. We'll share some of those tips with you on how to balance your trading and non-trading commitments. So if you'd like to take part, it's a fantastic course. It really is. And the jewel in the crown is the team mentoring sessions. What happens there is you send through your trades to us. It's a live Q&A session. We go through those trades in a classroom environment. Okay, so you get to do your review with us looking at your trades. We get to help you pick those trades apart to find the best parts and the worst parts so you can then learn. Okay, that helps you with your continual development and improvement in your trading. If you don't want to put your name to it, we are more than happy for people to say, please have this as anonymous. I don't want my name to be placed to these trades. I don't enjoy having my work pulled apart in a classroom environment. That is fine with us. Okay, we are totally happy with you doing that, but we just really want you to get involved and start to learn and develop your trading. If you would like to take advantage of this, let me show you now exactly how to do so. You go to etxcapital.co.uk. Have a look at the website. You can apply for a new account within minutes. Apply online right now. You've got to understand first, though, that spread betting does carry risk. There's a risk warning right here on the website. Okay, if you don't understand those risks, please seek advice. Okay, because spread betting is not suitable for everybody. However, all new account holders will gain access to this independent trader training. You'd also get a £250 cover. Okay, for instance, if you aren't in profit after 10 business days, you'd get up to £250 of those losses put back in your trading accounts. In other words, you get to learn the platform, learn how to order entry, how to manage your stops, and that kind of thing, whilst you've got that safety net helping you, just ensuring that if anything goes wrong, you are covered. Okay, so see it as a bit of an insurance. If you'd like to know more about the education, go down to this education tab right here, click on advanced courses. At the bottom you'll see the January course is here in all its glory. So we've got all 4 parts set up for the 10th of Jan, 17th of Jan, 24th of Jan, and the 31st of January. Those are all Monday nights, folks. So put it in your diary right now. Okay. If you don't want to know more about it, just click on more info, and it'll describe exactly what that webinar is all about and what you can expect to learn from it. So all that's left to say is Merry Christmas, folks, and a prosperous New Year to you and your families. Hopefully you have a very, very good festive season. It's very relaxing and joyous. From all of us at ETX Capital and Trade Precision, we've had a great year. We've really enjoyed this joint venture of helping with education, and by all accounts from the feedback, you have been enjoying it too. So hopefully in 2011 we can continue to build that package, and you can continue to learn and help and grow from our course as well as from our team mentoring. Well, that just leaves me to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, folks, and hopefully enjoy this video, and I look forward to speaking with you in the new year. Bye for now.